Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open up or bring up the Crosshair X menu. Alright, so first stop, go ahead and open up Steam. Make sure that the Steam app is running in the background. And go ahead and find Crosshair X and make sure that you launch it, okay? As you won't be able to open up the menu if the Crosshair X is not running in the background, okay? Now, finally, to open up the menu, you can go ahead and find it right here. If not, just double click on the Crosshair X icon right here at the bottom right. There you go. Here we now have the menu. From here, you can now go ahead and click on the visibility right here or visibility options. Okay. And when you're on a game, just make sure that you are on a windowed mode. Okay. For easy access. When you go ahead and alt tab, okay, or tab out, well, you will be able to see the taskbar right here and just double click on Crosshair X to open it up. All right. That's basically it. Let's say I'm just going to open up a video right here. Let's just say that this is a game. Okay. I'm going to open up full screen. Now, Alt Tab. There you go. And you should be able to see Crosshair X. If you close this one, Alt Tab, and you should be able to see Crosshair X right here. Just double click on it to open up the menu. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.